In today's guide, you'll learn how to switch from Google Workspace Essentials to Business. This is especially helpful for businesses that need more cloud storage, advanced meeting features, and enhanced collaboration tools. To begin, sign in to the Google Admin Console using your administrator account. Only users with admin privileges can modify subscription plans, so make sure you're using the correct credentials. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, navigate to the Billing section. This area allows you to manage subscriptions, review payment methods, and explore available upgrades. Locate your current Essential subscription and select the option to upgrade or get more services. From the list of available plans, choose Business Standard. You'll then be guided through the upgrade process. Review the plan details carefully, confirm your billing information, and proceed to checkout. After completing the payment steps, your account will be upgraded automatically. Finally, verify that the new features are active in your account. You should now have access to the expanded storage, enhanced meeting capabilities, and additional tools included with Business Standard.